Today we're going to be making some eggs. I have the oven preheating at 425 degrees. We've got 2 eggs, some grated Parmesan cheese, and some heavy whipping cream. That's it as far as the ingredients go. Very, very simple. I've already sprayed a little bit of Pam inside the cup so it's non-stick. We're gonna put the eggs in, put about a tablespoon of the cream in, and then cover it just so there's a nice layer on top of cheese. And we'll put it in the oven at 425 degrees for 13 minutes. And we'll see how she turns out. So we've got our eggs in. Now we're gonna put our milk in. And I don't measure this, you know. I just put in a little bit. You don't wanna put too much in or it will really be creamy. And it's gonna almost seem like the eggs aren't done. It'd be kind of gross. Next, put on the cheese. And I like a lot of cheese. Do this to your own taste. And I just like to make sure everything's covered. There's probably, I don't know, a good layer, 1/4 inch or so of cheese on there. And we're gonna go ahead and pop this in the oven, 425 degrees, 13 minutes. Remove the cup from the oven, let it cool a little bit. Salt and pepper to taste, and enjoy. Buen provecho. Bon appetit.